What's going on, you guys? It's Boosted J. Today we're installing a new shift knob on the E30. This is the current vintage shift knob. If you guys are E30 enthusiasts, you guys know exactly what this knob is like. So that's what it looks like in action. Fifth gear. So for me, I drive this car hard every once in a while, and this is not how smooth the gears actually are when you're moving. It's probably about twice as hard to get the stick into each gear. So every now and then this will actually just pop off like that when you're shifting, and this is a notorious thing for BMWs. The shift knob will always come off. Even if you guys have seen that dude in Blue's video where the shift knob comes off, pretty much the same situation every day I drive this car. And the reason for that is this car has a short shift on it, and the shift rod, the selector rod, actually, I don't know if this is a selector rod or not, but where your shift knob mounts up to, it actually widens out down near the bottom, and this does not go well with that. So it actually doesn't even snap into place 100%. So it's kind of half on, half off all the time. So I decided to pick up this brand new Rennstall billet aluminum shift knob. This is weighted, of course, because it's actually not as heavy as I thought it would be. But it's, whoa, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Let me tell you that right off the bat. I thought this was gonna be super slim and just something nice and easy to shift with, but this is actually a lot bulkier, and it's actually a lot bigger, and I prefer this because I think rolling through the gears, this will be very nice once we have it all attached on. But if you get this, you can order it, like I said, with the thread pitch adapter or not. So I chose to opt without it because BMWs don't have a thread on shift knob. So I got the billet aluminum one, and it'll come with this and a little baggie with the 3 Allen bolts and a little hex key or Allen tool to tighten it down. So this is the tool that it'll come with, and I've already inserted the little bolts in each like retaining socket, I guess. So I'm just gonna slip this on, and you can see it has like a beveled edge. So I'm gonna make sure it stays forward, and it's got the Rennstall on this side, so you can see it on the driver's side. So now all you gotta do is just line it up how you want it, and get your Allen tool and go on the first side and tighten it down. Make sure you tighten it down evenly. So basically, now once you've got everything, each screw in, make sure you just go around and check each one, make sure they're tight and the shift knob does not slip around, and you'll pretty much be set. So now I have a much taller and a much better throw, or a longer throw actually, but a much taller and a much more sturdy shift feel compared to the vintage knob, which is about this. This is where it's sat compared to this. So I've gained about 2, maybe 3 inches tops of extra height, and with the wheel, all I gotta do is just boom quick, not so far down like before. This is a lot more comfortable for longer drives, in my opinion, and you can still roll the gears nicely. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm Boosted J, and that's how you install a Rennstall shift knob on an E30 or any other BMW for that matter. See you guys in the next video. Peace.